time on the solar eclipse sweepstakes. We're in Arkansas, no clouds. Woohoo! Now before you ask, yes, we did try several spots before this one, but all the parking lots in town were blocked for ticket holders only. And of course the country club we checked first was closed for a private event. So here we are at a rest stop along Interstate 40. And oh boy, look at all the people. Everyone here has come to see the moon swallow the sun. Let's get ready for 4 minutes of totality. It won't be long now, don't forget to wear your black glasses. The sun, the moon, doing a dance up in the heavens. Happy 24th solar eclipse from all of you. USA, USA, USA.